in the infinite silence of space, something strange has entered our solar system again. It's not a spacecraft. It's not an asteroid. It's a traveler. It's from another star. For billions of years, it drifted through the dark void, untouched, unseen, and unknown. And now, it's here. Astronomers have named it 3I-ATLAS, the third known interstellar visitor ever detected by humankind. It was early July 2025 when astronomers at the ATLAS Observatory in Hawaii noticed something unusual. A faint, fast-moving object racing toward the sun at nearly 130,000 miles per hour, far faster than any normal comet should move. At first, it looked like an ordinary visitor. But when scientists traced its orbit backward, the truth stunned them. This object wasn't from our solar system at all. It came from interstellar space, the endless region between the stars. Scientists estimate that 3I Atlas may be more than 7 billion years old, possibly older than our own sun. It was likely born around another star system, far across the Milky Way. Then, sometime in the distant past, something powerful, a stellar collision, or a passing giant planet, ejected it into interstellar space. For billions of years, it sailed alone through the cosmic dark, till gravity pulled it toward us. A silent messenger from another world. A lonely comet traveling through star fields. By October 2025, 3I Atlas had already passed close to Mars and was racing toward the sun. Then something strange happened again. When it disappeared behind the sun, it should have faded from view. But instead, reports from spacecraft hinted that it had brightened dramatically. Its brightness increased by several orders of magnitude, far beyond what sunlight alone could explain. Was it breaking apart? Was it releasing gas trapped for billions of years? Or was something else happening inside this mysterious traveler? When 3I ATLAS reappeared from behind the sun, astronomers noticed something unexpected. It looked different. For the third time since its discovery, 3I Atlas seemed to shift its hue, now showing a faint blue glow. No one could confirm how long it lasted. No one could explain why. Experts believe the blue tint could be caused by gases such as carbon monoxide or ammonia leaking from deep inside the comet. These molecules, when illuminated by sunlight, emit a faint blue hue, a chemical fingerprint of ancient ice reacting after billions of years in the dark. Imagine. Frozen gases trapped since the dawn of another solar system, now awakening under our sun's light, whispering secrets across light years of space. 3I Atlas isn't just another comet. It's a time capsule, a fragment of another world carrying the chemistry of a star that may no longer exist. As 3I Atlas moves deeper into our solar system, its mystery only grows stronger. Each new image, each new spectrum, brings more questions than answers. By late October 2025, the comet had swung behind the sun, completely hidden from our eyes. But while Earth couldn't see it, our spacecraft could. Then, something unbelievable happened. When data came in from ESA's solar orbiter, scientists were stunned. 3I Atlas had brightened dramatically, far more than expected from sunlight alone. It was as if the comet suddenly woke up, releasing massive clouds of gas and dust from deep within. Astronomers suspect that volatile ices frozen for over 7 billion years were suddenly exposed to sunlight, triggering a chain reaction. Carbon monoxide, ammonia, even trace organic compounds may have been released in an explosive burst. But what caused it to happen all at once, right when it vanished behind the sun? No one knows. When 3I ATLAS finally re-emerged from behind the sun in early November, telescopes picked up something new. Its once green glow had faded, replaced by a faint bluish aura shimmering like ice under moonlight. This was the third color transformation since its discovery. First green, then golden, now blue. Color changes like this are rare, even among comets. The blue tint could mean high concentrations of ionized gases, perhaps carbon monoxide or cyanogen molecules reacting with solar radiation. But what if this wasn't just chemistry? Some researchers have whispered a theory, one that most of the scientific community avoids. Could 3I Atlas be something artificial? Its rapid changes in brightness, its perfect hyperbolic orbit, its strange anatail pointing toward the sun instead of away. All these features defy the behavior of a normal comet. Back in 2017, when another interstellar object, Oumuamua, passed through our system, scientists debated the same question. It too had strange acceleration patterns and unusual reflectivity. Some even proposed it might be a solar sail, drifting through the galaxy. Now, with 3IATLAS, the similarities are hard to ignore. One of the strangest features of 3IATLAs is its antitail. While normal comets have tails pointing away from the sun, pushed by solar wind, this one developed a tail that appears to point in the opposite direction. An optical illusion, perhaps? Or something more? Some scientists think it's caused by the geometry of dust particles forming a thin, flat disk around the comet. From certain angles, this disk looks like a backward tail. But for others, it's one more piece in an ever-growing puzzle, one that questions everything we know about interstellar objects. On December 19, 2025, 3IATLAS will make its closest approach to Earth, passing at a distance of about 168 million miles, 270 million kilometers. That's nearly 1.8 times the distance between Earth and the Sun. During that time, researchers will observe it from both ground-based telescopes and orbiting spacecraft. To ESA missions, Solar Orbiter and Bepi Colombo may even pass through its tail. Capturing dust and plasma samples as it streaks by, it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. To study an object from another star system up close, preliminary data show that 3I Atlas is unusually rich in carbon dioxide and water vapor. With signs of organic molecules, ingredients that hint at prebiotic chemistry. If that's true, then this comet might carry the same raw materials that helped form life in distant star systems. Maybe we're not just studying a rock from space. Maybe we're looking at a mirror, a reflection of our own cosmic origins. But the deeper we look, the stranger it becomes. Its surface reacts like metal, yet it behaves like ice. Its color shifts faster than any known comet, and some of its signals, captured in ultraviolet spectra, still don't match anything we've seen before. Could something or someone be guiding this object? Or is nature simply reminding us how little we truly understand the universe? The answers may lie in its final moments. When 3IATLAS turns away from the sun and begins its long journey home to the stars. They say every visitor leaves behind a trace. But what if that visitor came from another star, older than our sun itself? 31ATLA, as the mysterious interstellar comet, is now on its way back to the endless void between the stars. But before it leaves, it has left us with more questions than answers. After its close pass to Mars, after the strange brightening behind the sun, and after turning blue for the third time, scientists around the world are racing to decode its secrets. Why does a comet that's been frozen for billions of years suddenly change color 3 times? Why does it glow blue when no other comet in our solar system does that naturally? And why did it release massive bursts of energy hidden behind the sun? Some say the answers lie in its chemistry. Maybe gases like ammonia or carbon monoxide, trapped for billions of years, are finally escaping. Or maybe cosmic rays, blasting it for eons in the galactic wilderness, have changed its very nature. But others are not so sure. A few independent researchers have suggested that 3I Atlas might not be a comet at all, that it could be something artificial, maybe a fragment of alien technology. Drifting silently through space, could it be a probe? Of course, mainstream science disagrees. No data so far suggests alien technology, and the comet's behavior fits physics perfectly. Its brightening, its gas leaks, even its blue glow can all be explained by natural chemistry. Yet, the mystery remains. How did a frozen object ejected from a dying star system 7 billion years ago find its way here to our tiny corner of the Milky Way? What stories does it carry? What other worlds did it pass by? Unseen, unrecorded, untouched. On December 19th, it will pass closest to Earth about 168 million miles away. We won't see it with the naked eye, but telescopes across the planet and beyond it will be watching. To a Sol spacecraft might even fly through its tail, collecting particles that have traveled across the galaxy itself. Imagine that, touching something that left its home before Earth even existed, something that has seen the birth and death of stars, and still carries the memory of the beginning, whether it's just ice and dust, or something far beyond our understanding. 31ATLAS reminds us of one simple truth. We are not alone in the universe. We are part of it. And as it disappears into the dark, one thought lingers. Maybe, someday, something out there will visit again. And maybe next time, it will come looking for us. If you love exploring mysteries of the universe, subscribe now, because this journey is just beginning.